Now, in the last few lessons, I've explained how to write some very simple Ruby programs. To write more complicated Ruby programs, you're going to have to start to work with objects. Now, an object is just a bundle that contains some data and often the methods to act upon that data, or they might be methods, that is functions, that can allow other bits of code to interact with your objects. So let's have a look how we can create objects in Ruby code. Now, an object is defined by a class, so let's write a very simple class called myClass. So that's my class definition. It starts with a keyword up here, class. I give it a name. I've just called it myClass, beginning with a capital letter, but apart from that, it's just a choice of name, and I've ended it with the keyword end. And now I can create objects from this class. So the class defines the objects. Here's my ob1 equals, so this is my new object, myClass dot new, and I created a second object, ob2 equals, well, exactly the same thing, myClass dot new. So I'm ready to go. If I run the code down here, Ruby interpreter, name of the program, objects .rb, nothing much happens because I haven't told it to do anything. So I need now to give some behavior to these objects. I'm going to add a method, that's a function inside the object, def. This is how I start my method. I'm going to call it say hello. End it with the keyword end again, and get it to do something. I'm just going to get it to display a string, puts hello. So now if I use these objects, I can put ob1 dot and then the name of the method, say hello. Same with ob2 dot say hello. Save it, run the program again. And there you are, ob1 says hello, ob2 says hello. Well, this is still not incredibly useful because all the objects I've created here are the two objects. I could go on and create more objects, but each one would have exactly the same behavior. They've just got one method and it prints the same text or the same string every time I call that say hello method. Things get more interesting when each object is different from each other object, and for that to happen, objects need to contain data, and I'll explain that in the next lesson. This little course of Ruby is based on my book, The Little Book of Ruby, which is available from Amazon, and you can download the source code for free from bitwisebooks.com.